there, Supercoder! Today we're going to create a fun little game. Let's name it Happy Hippo. Cool! Let's get started. First, we need 2 hippos, one red and one blue. You can draw them yourself or import from the library. I'm going to draw mine. Make sure each hippo has 2 costumes so we can give it a bit of animation while it moves. Next, we need 2 balls, one red and one blue. And of course, we'll need a pool. Let's call it the ball pool, where the balls will float around. Now place both hippos on opposite sides of the pool. Perfect! So what do we want our hippos to do? We want them to move inside the pool and then come back to their starting positions. Let's start with the red hippo. Go to the coding area of the red hippo and grab a glide 1-second block. We'll glide the hippo toward the pool, somewhere around the inside area of the rectangle. Click and check how it moves. Nice! Now we want it to go back to its original position. So grab another glide 1-second block and glide it back. Perfect! To make it look smooth, let's switch costumes during the movement. After the first glide, add switch costume to costume 2. And after the second glide, add switch costume to costume 1. Cool! Now, when should this movement happen? When we click the hippo, right? So add when this sprite clicked on top of the code. We can also fix the hippo's initial position using a go-to block. And make sure it starts with costume 1. Don't forget to place when green flag clicked at the top, so it resets properly each time. Awesome! Let's test it out! Here, we can make our hippo move a little faster by changing the glide time from 1 second to 0.25 seconds. Check it out! Cool! Perfect! Now copy the same code to the blue hippo, but change the X and Y position values so it sits on the other side of the pool. Perfect! Now, let's make our red ball roam inside the pool. For that, we'll use Create Clone of Myself. Click it. See? It creates another copy of the ball. If you can't see it, drag the original ball. It's there. We want new balls to appear every 3 seconds, so add wait 3 seconds under the clone block. Wrap both inside a forever block, and put when green flag clicked on top. Perfect! Now at every 3 seconds, a new copy will appear. But we also want the balls to move around the pool. So add when I start as a clone, then glide 1 second to a pick random X and Y position. That keeps it inside the pool area. Next, we'll make this movement repeat until the ball touches a hippo. So wrap the glide in a repeat until block. The condition will be touching red hippo or touching blue hippo. Cool! Now let's add points for our hippos. Create 2 variables, red hippo point and blue hippo point. Here's how we'll give points. If the red hippo touches the red ball, it gets +2 points. If it touches the blue ball, it gets -1 point. So go to the red ball sprite and grab a forever block. Inside it, add an if condition. Touching red hippo? If yes, change red hippo point by 2 and hide the ball. Then add another if block. Touching blue hippo? If yes, change blue hippo point by -1. At the start of the game, don't forget to reset both scores. So add set red hippo point to 0 and set blue hippo point to 0 under when green flag clicked. Now copy this code to the blue ball as well, but make a few small changes. If blue hippo eats a blue ball, it gets +2 points. If it eats a red ball, it loses 1 point. Perfect! Now let's test it out. Wow! It works just the way we wanted. That's it, Supercoder. You just made your own Happy Hippo game in Scratch. See you soon with another exciting project. Until then, happy coding, and bye!